Okay, here's an example of a bad starter pull-in winding being intermittent or partially bad. This is how it'll act. So what we're going to do is we're going to just jump power to this manually. You're just going to jump power to the solenoid right here. So it doesn't pull in all the way. So that you've got, the solenoid's job is to do two things. It's to couple high current to the motor. The job of this thing has got two purposes, and that's to couple high current to the motor through there's a connection here, and make the motor run. And the other job is to pull in this becomes magnetized when it gets power from the ignition switch to right here. So you're just jumping power. I'm just jumping power directly. This is from the ignition switch. So when I go to crank, I get power to this terminal. This magnetizes. When you have a current going through a coil, it becomes a magnet. That pulls a plunger in here, which is connected to this drive, and that pulls that out, and it engages the gear into the flywheel. And the other purpose is it will connect the high current contacts in here and connect high current to the motor to make it run. Now, if either one of those doesn't work right, it'll do this. Now, before, this was just spinning in the vehicle without driving out at all. But now it seems to be driving a little bit, but it still doesn't work. Not driving out enough, really. Just going part way. It should go all the way out to that. That's more good, really. Alright, this is Steve's story at Car Inspectors, so subscribe to my channel. Thank you. That's still working?